This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 35M is a Class A RV. It is located in Mims, Florida, 32754 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Mims. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 35M is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.